Being fit and healthy will not only improve your police skills, it could very well save your life or someone else's. Not just in the physical sense either. Your emotional and psychological well-being are closely tied to your overall health. But what is the point of health? Well, for me, it's about energy. Having the energy to be at my best all day without the ups and downs that come along with caffeine and sugar hits. Over the years, and including my period of police service, I tried multiple strategies and techniques for optimizing my energy levels, and at times I found the range of advice quite infuriating. One person would say, do this, and someone else would say, no, if you do that you'll die. And it began to get quite confusing. In the end, I found that what worked was some very basic techniques, and you can read more about these below. However, the most important discovery I made was not about the techniques themselves. The most important discovery that I want to share with you today is how to translate these successful strategies into action. And it's encapsulated into one phrase I came across. And here it is. We don't get what we want, we get what we are. I'll say that again. We don't get what we want, we get what we are. And this is true for many aspects of life, but no area more so than your energy levels. You absolutely cannot get more energy by willpower or simply wanting it, or trying a range of different things for short periods. Okay, so we get what we are. What the hell does that mean? Well, it's another way of saying that you are the sum of your daily habits. Not what you are trying to do, but what you do day to day without thinking about it. If you have to motivate yourself to drink water, eat well, exercise, sleep well, then it's not yet a habit and you're forcing it. For example, I used to try and calculate how much water I was drinking, what I was eating, and schedule all different types of exercise routines. However, when I found real success was by creating daily habits that never change. Then I could schedule specific activities over the top of that. I'll use water as an example. The old me would say, okay, I need to drink 2.5 liters of water today. When must I drink it? However, the problem with this is it requires remembering to drink a certain amount at a certain time throughout the day. My new habit method was to say, okay, I'll drink 2 glasses of water every day when I get up. Then I'll drink another glass of water before every meal. And then I'll drink another 2 glasses of water every night before bed. Now, if you're like me, you probably don't have to work hard to remember to eat, and you certainly don't have to remember to sleep. So, therefore, these times became habitual, and I no longer had to think about how to calculate my water consumption. Of course, I will still increase it with exercise or hot weather, but for me it meant I was getting my minimum hydration regardless. The other habit that comes along with this is carrying a water bottle everywhere you go. But this is just one example. And I'll also add that this worked for me based on my lifestyle. Actual consumption may vary significantly for you. But the point is, the principle remains the same. Find out what you need and then build it into daily habits that you don't need to think about. At the same time, it's critical you identify and eliminate self-destructive habits. You know, those habits you do, sometimes daily, that are sapping your energy, and you only do them out of habit. For example, I used to have a rather unhelpful habit of ordering a McFlurry ice cream every time I was working on the booze bus and we took our dinner break near a certain fast food chain. That's a whole other topic though. The point is that getting rid of old habits is just as important as building new ones, and we'll cover exactly how to get rid of bad habits in the next video. Until then, you'll find more excellent energy building habits on the page below.